Smile, hello everyone. Our today's topic is migraine. How we can heal migraine by Sujok. And let me tell you, the healing of migraine by Sujok is very effective. And this I'm saying it because I have taken lots and lots of results. And this will cure you, not temporarily treat you. So let's see how we can heal migraine by Sujok. In hand, in thumb, these are our head points. So in case of migraine, these points will be very painful, or maybe one side will be very painful. We have 3 points like check these 3 points. In case of right side migraine, this point will be painful. In case of left side pain, you will have this point painful. So never mind, you just check these 3 points. And after checking these points, massage them nicely. And put one green gram seed here. And also in the yang side, this area, below thumb, this point and this area, check nicely, massage nicely and put the seeds here. You can cover this area with green gram. Now this is the result. The root cause of migraine, there are 3 reasons. We have to work on the wind point, and GB controls the wind energy in the body. And gallbladder point is here, GB, that is gallbladder. You will find the painful point here. In case of migraine, any migraine patient, this point will be extremely painful. People say that, I get migraine after food, or if I have not had food properly or on time, so they get the problem. So in that case, this point will be extremely painful. After massaging it nicely, put the seeds here. Either green gram seeds, or I'm putting buckwheat seeds. When you find the painful point, massage, mark it so that you don't lose the point, and put the seed here. And tell the person to keep pressing it from time to time. And in finger system also, you'll find the painful point here. I'll mark it, just have a look. Any finger of right hand, the painful point will be here. So massage it. This is by mini system. After doing massage, good massage, stimulating nicely, put one seed here. And in finger system, the point will be opposite to this, just diagonally opposite. It will be here. I'll just mark them so that you can see. This will be the area. Rest you have to find the painful point. Just massage like this, you will find the painful point. And when you find the painful point, mark it so that you don't lose that point. And after that, you can put one seed here. Now, in the hand, yang side, these are kidney points, as you have seen in my previous videos also. You go like this. This area is kidney area. So above the kidney, the adrenal glands are there. Massage this nicely. Just massage nicely. And after doing good massage, you put the kidney beans, 2 kidney beans on these points. Slightly above, so the adrenal glands are also covered. And tell the patient to keep pressing it in between. Now, headache is this is the root, this is the area, the result of migraine. But the root cause is gallbladder, that is wind energy. So this is what we can do. In case the person says, I get my periods during or before and after periods, then we should take the uterus area also, which I had shown you in my previous video, how to treat uterus area. So massage this area nicely and put seeds here. And this should be done not only during migraine, but before migraine and on everyday basis for 2-3 months. And sometimes people say that I get migraine after I come back from sun or heat. It doesn't suit me. When I come back, the migraine is there. So then in that case, as I told you in my previous video, dip the fingertips in chilled cold water for 5 minutes and then put the blue color on every finger after they come back from heat, the sun. And also in the other hand, put the seeds, green gram seeds here. You will find the painful points, and these points will be very, very painful. So one more thing what we can do for migraine, we have this bar magnet. In case you have bar magnet, use it. Put this magnet in middle finger center line, that is gallbladder meridian. Put it like this, and every day for 2 hours. And also same thing on index finger first joint, the cut will come on the joint center and yellow up towards the nail. Here yellow down and here yellow up towards the nail. These 2 magnets, keep it for 2 hours, and this also gives very good result. In case you don't have these magnets, then do one thing. Take yellow color pen and color from top to bottom center line, same line, yellow color. Yellow line from top to bottom, and blue line from bottom to top in index finger. So in case you don't have magnets, yellow line and blue line. From top to bottom yellow line, bottom to top blue line. Keep it for 2 hours. Tell the person not to, wash the hands for 2 hours. And in ring finger, middle joint, ring finger, middle joint, you will find the painful points on this joint. Look for the painful points, and when you find the painful points, just massage them nicely and put the seeds. You can put green gram seeds here. And also you can do acupuncture on the head point and on gallbladder point. In this hand, the gallbladder point will be here. You will find the painful point. If you have small acupuncture needles, you can put the needles. Otherwise, you can put the thorn on the head area. You will find the painful point. And according to further studies, as I mentioned before, these are all head points. So you will find the painful point on the head area. You can do acupuncture by either needle or by thorn. You can take a thorn also and do some bloodletting. The blood should come out a little. So this is how you can heal migraine by Sujok, and I'm 100% sure you'll get very good results. You can contact me in case you have any problem. Smile, thanks, stay healthy and take care.